ngisafunda I remember sakumele senze ama orals esikoleni kwama orals esiZulu, so we didn't go attend to the same school. Wayefunda esikoleni sakhe ngifunda kwesami. So it was a prepared speech or whatever kwakumele siyenze, and then we had to present it, right?
Okay.
Ngabhala, she had no idea what to write about. And then I gave her ngambonisa sami. This is how you can actually go about with it. Wasithatha not changing mhlambe a few things.
No.
Njengoba sinjalo, I know I gave it to her, right?
Because
nginikeza lento ukuthi na hint you can write something of this sort. Wasibhala ke sharp. Saya kuma orals kulesikole saya kuso, she went first. She went, and mina naye, she's very talkative. Ekhaya they into politics. So ukhuluma bayakwazi, they take after my dad. I'm the only one ongazange landele part yama politics. Angazi why now, but angizange nje ngayithanda politics. You understand? She went there. She owned the stage. Yes. Ngasukuma ngisiphethe ispeech. There's no way ukuthi ngingashintsha anything now. As much as ngizazi ukuthi ngihlakaniphile. Kwakunzima ukuthi ngingashintsha now. She went there, she owned the stage.
Yes.
Ngangena nga presenter, but I was so down. Kwangathi futhi mina make nje ikopelini. I remember my mom ezulu engibuza noNdumiso what happened. Ubani loyana? Ngathi usisi wami. Wathi manje kwenzakaleni? Ngathi angazi.